Stand by. Hammer slide. Oh, yep. The 180 rule.
Sorry.
Yep.
I should have stand this way.
Yep. Oh, you're good. Okay. 12.16.
12.16.
It's 3 shots on each? Yep.
Yeah.
3. Yeah, look at that, you made all your hits.
3. One shot is easy. Right?
Alright, I have to redeem myself.
Hey, you want to move this barrel back?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, these things are heavy. Alright, here, let's...
There's no grip.
No, I know. Alright, well,
Let's
grab
roll
real
it
hard.
this way.
Oh.
Why is it so heavy?
Because it's old.
What's in there? Body?
Wine.
Maybe. Sand or... Alright, there you
Body. Some old member who forgot to pay his dues.
go. Alright.
There you go.
Yeah, you want to time me?
Oh.